Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to create a chat server using Matrix Synapse and Element on Ubuntu 22.04. By default, the Matrix Synapse package is not included in the Ubuntu default repository, so you will need to install it from its official repository. First, download the Matrix Synapse GPG key. Next, add the Matrix Synapse repository to the apt source file. Then, update the package index using the following command. Now, install the Matrix Synapse package using the following command. Enter your Matrix domain name during installation as the server name. Once Matrix Synapse is installed, start the Matrix Synapse service using the following command. You can now verify the status of Matrix Synapse using the following command. At this point, Matrix Synapse is started and listens on port 8008. You can verify it using the following command. First, generate the secret key using the following command. You will see the following output. Next, edit the Matrix Synapse main configuration file. Then, change the following lines. Save and close the file. After that, restart the Matrix Synapse service to reload the changes. Next, you must create an admin user to authenticate Matrix Synapse. You can create it using the following command. Then, define your user and password. We will use Let's Encrypt SSL to secure the Matrix Synapse server. First, install the Nginx web server. Next, install the certbot Let's Encrypt client using the following commands. Then, download the Let's Encrypt SSL for your domain. After that, generate the dhparam using the following command. Next, you will need to configure Nginx as a reverse proxy for Matrix Synapse. First, edit the Nginx main configuration file. Add the following line. Next, create an Nginx virtual host configuration file for Matrix Synapse. Continue to add the following configurations. Then, save and close the file. After that, reload Nginx to apply the changes. Now, you can verify the Matrix Synapse installation by opening the following URL in your web browser. You should see the following screen. Or you can also verify your Matrix Synapse using the Riot web-based client. You should see the following screen. Click on the Edit button. Provide your Matrix server URL and click on the Continue button. Provide your admin username and password, then click the Sign In button. Once you're connected to the Matrix Synapse server, you should see the following screen. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Matrix Synapse on Ubuntu 22.04, providing a powerful platform for decentralized communication and collaboration.